Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you how you can create your own avatar on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it and click on WhatsApp. And now we're brought to the page of updates. We want to be on settings, right? So bottom right corner, click on settings. And now we can click on avatar. Now we can click on create your avatar. And now we can actually sync our WhatsApp with our Facebook avatar, right? So we can click on get started. That's my face. So we can create avatar with photo. I'm going to actually do that. So I'm going to take a photo of myself. And now we can select skin tone. I'm going to go with this color. Now creating your own avatar. And that's actually pretty spot on. So I can also make more edits. So I can change the hair. I will go with this hair. That's pretty cool. I'm going to click on save. Now your avatar is being updated. Click next. And now we have successfully created our own avatar. And I can click on create profile photo, which will actually add it to everybody's profile of me on their WhatsApp. So yeah, that's how you create an avatar on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.